For the banded deadlifts, we are going to need a resistance band. And what we're going to be doing is doubling it up, okay? We can do single if you don't have a ton of bands and maybe the band that you have is a little bit too heavy. You can just do the single resistance and step over it like so. And if we are thinking we need a good amount of resistance, we're just gonna double it up, okay? So we're gonna step down on that doubled up band and we're gonna feel like we're bent over, but that's okay, because in the deadlifts, we want to be hinged at the hips a little bit, okay? So we're gonna have our shoulders out forward over top of our nose, over top of our toes, over top of our knees, okay? We have a nice flat back and knees slightly bent, but our hips are up and back, okay? We're not down in a full squat, up a little bit, all right? And then we're just gonna pull, drive the shoulders up to the sky. If this is not enough resistance, we can grip lower on the band, just making sure that we can still get our chest up and have a nice flat back, and that is where we are gonna pull at. The quicker we do these reps, the more of a burn we're going to feel, okay? And just make sure that you're starting to feel that burn in the hamstrings and the glutes. If you're feeling it more in the quads, that means that you are squatting too much. So you probably need to get a little bit more of a lean and let the chest kind of point a little bit down towards the ground. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the banded deadlift. If you're curious about other movements, go ahead and check out my page. Or if you have specific questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks.